What is good, YouTube? We have a lot of catching up to do. I know this. I know it's been like a year since I posted anything, but I got some good news for you guys. I got some bad news for you guys. Yeah, you just have to stay tuned to find out. Alright, so I know I said I had some good news and some bad news. Bad news is, got rid of the Challenger. My puppy back there, Nipsey, is getting too big for the Challenger, man. I can't have a dog that big in a car that small, so I went and upgraded to a truck. Now, what kind of truck, you might ask? I'm gonna have to wait and see. Go ahead and drop a comment down below if you guess it right. Alright, so I've been throwing around ideas about doing a truck build series with my truck, because I obviously don't want to keep it stock as whack. But it is a 2019 Dodge Ram 1500 Bighorn. Definitely gonna have to build it up, mod it out, you know how we do. But let me know if you guys are interested to see all that stuff, a build series. We'll call it, I don't know, comment some names down, I don't know what to call it. But that's the plan with the truck build series. Alright, so here's the truck. Give you guys a full walk around. 2019 Dodge Ram 1500. 100% stock. She's a beaut. Classic. Yeah, so I got a few ideas of what exactly I want to do with it. If you guys have any ideas or any special places to get parts and all that stuff, please feel free. Got my guard dog in there. All right, the long anticipated. Here's Nipsey. Come on, come on, come on. Good boy. Nipsey is a 4.5-month-old Cane Corso, fawn color. He hasn't been out to the lake yet, but beautiful views. Beautiful. It's a nice truck out there too. But yep, this is Nipsey.